Come here and with the rest of the boy.
They the same thing I show man. Listen, yo man get me dread on me jeep.
And let the boy there beard man.
You know man smell bad. Young man things like that John just.
Man, if me catch him the other day, man, remember me tell you say you throw water upon him.
Me say boy I go and the boy I laugh and I giggle up and I go and he knows so you know me jeep.
Hey, no say no.
Yeah.
Forget about the rasta boy. No say me meet a girl the other day.
Yeah, what you want?
And I tell you say the girl have a round bumper.
What?
Love that one there, say man.
So wait, you see him bro, you see man from Tapil. See one from Tapil man, you see one you tell me say what you girl want like say, you want to go on his EG that.
I mean nobody know. You know so she kick me out of the house. She the song about it.
And you know so this
Nah, gonna lie to you, I think the rest of them love too much woman.
yo dog.
People more than you, man. People. No fuck out of me last night. Holy come out of me last night. Holy.
I want Patu to go and Rick.
When I come chop. Everything up there, all in there, man. You see, dog, you even know right now, you.
Then, yo, Patu Socks. You want to know something almost breed on girl last night,
You
bro.
can't say them things, man. See, look at boy over there, man.
Man a big man. Man a big man.
Man, look at boy, lift up first, so you know man. Lift up. Rick, what am I say?
Tell the boy up to man, take man to eat there too.
Lift up, man.
Like one of mad boy there, friend.
What that me I say, man, who's up?
Wagwan! 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 So when you come to me for?
Yes, I bought him long as I tell me about me and not about girl, you know.
You know about girl?
Yeah.
You know about girl?
I'm to them mad people, yeah, man. Everybody mad.
Look at your father, come.
You want to call us a mad money. Everybody there with a mad money. Everybody there with mad. They mad. And they not do sense. Everybody there with mad. Not no sense.